The world is changing. We're more connected.
Tchau, pá!
We have created new technologies. But we have not solved some problems that continue to affect millions of people.
About dreaming, we have dreamt, and we have been dreaming for a long time in Africa. If you look at what our founding fathers and founding mothers said 50 years ago about the Africa they would like to see, those dreams are still very much valid today because we are not yet there. And they were able to dream this 50 years ago before they even had access to possibilities that we have today. And with the growth in information and communication technology, with the growth in technologies to do with energy development, space exploration, and all that, these dreams are becoming more realistic, if you like, and we have expressed them in Agenda 2063.
By 2050, we will be 9 billion people on the planet. Ensuring education, health, and quality food for all is a challenge. We need to create the conditions for today's children to grow up in a healthy way and enjoy a safe and peaceful old age. The first steps need to be taken now.
When children go to school, they are well fed. It improves on their intelligence capacity. They can be able to learn a lot of things in school, and ultimately they become very productive in the society.
In 2015, 193 countries signed a pledge to pursue the Sustainable Development Goals. They committed themselves to the eradication of hunger and poverty by the year 2030.
São esses bem alimentados que vão ter mais força para estudar, né? Uma alimentação saudável melhora a pele, os dentes, o cabelo e a inteligência.
Eliminating inequalities is the first step towards a more just world. Promoting the development of innovative and sustainable solutions to hunger and poverty is part of the work of the Center of Excellence Against Hunger, a partnership between the United Nations World Food Programme and Brazil.
Learning is much more appropriate. So what countries are doing in Latin America can also inform what's happening in Africa, and you can learn lessons from there and apply them in Asia, or vice versa. So I think it's very, very useful that people are sharing their experiences in the global south, much more than the north trying to transfer their ideas to the south.
The Center of Excellence Against Hunger is supporting countries such as Ethiopia, Mozambique, Gambia, Zambia, and Kenya to implement and develop social protection systems that include school feeding programs. For children around the world, school feeding is a chance to dream again of a better world.
The Brazilian experience to fight hunger, zero hunger, is quite important, and we've been trying to work towards that, to implement it in our own countries, to see how best we can put on these systems, especially the unified registration. It's quite an important thing that the Gambia is very much interested to put in place as one of the systems. Also, the approach of local procurement is very important because it also supports social protection initiatives for homegrown school meals, and as well as helping local farmers have markets for their productions. So it also supports and strengthening family incomes of those farmers, as well as provide nutrition and meals for the vulnerable children.
A escola que passa a ser a referência para a saúde, é a referência para a alimentação, é a referência também em termos educacionais, né? Então a gente vê que para essas comunidades a escola é o elo que liga a comunidade, digamos assim, ao mundo, é a porta.